Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Miss V and I will help you learn web development one tag at a time. In today's lesson, we'll turn a simple list into a beautiful and tasty looking recipe web page using HTML, list, and images. Let's take a look at what we are going to build today. This is our final output, a simple pancake recipe webpage with an image, ingredient lists, instructions, and cooking terms and definition. Let's start coding. Let's start coding. Let's open our favorite text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. And let's create a new file called recipe.html. Let's bring out our boiler template. We are going to change the title of our document to simple pancake recipe. And then let's add our h1 tag with simple pancake recipe. This is our basic HTML structure. We have a document type, a head for the title, and a body for our content. Now, let's make it more appetizing by adding an image. Let's use the figure tag and add an img tag, src. Let's locate our pancake image in our image folder. Then we have our pancake image. Also, we're going to add our alternative text. This is our alt attribute stating what the image looks like. A plate of freshly made pancakes. Then let's set the width to 250. So we have an image. We also need to have our figure caption. So let's use fig caption, delicious homemade pancakes, fluffy and golden brown. So let's look at our preview. So we have our H1 with our image and our figure caption. You don't have an image saved locally. Don't worry, you can use an online image link instead. We have here an example of our image from nicepng.com. Let's copy our image address, just an example, paste it there. So as you can see, this is a web link, and then let's look at our preview. It's there. Okay, so we successfully used the link of an image into our src. Now let's go back to our pancake gpg. Let's say there you go. Okay, now this time we are going to add our ingredients, the list of our ingredients using unordered list or UL tag. So before that, let's use H2 to add the title, a subtitle, ingredient, and then let's use the UL tag, and that is an ordered list. And inside our UL tag, we are going to add the list of ingredients using the LI tag. So let's have it. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoon melted butter, and a pinch of salt. So we have our ingredients with an ordered list. Let's show a preview. There you have it. It's our unordered list of ingredients using the UL tag. Now, let's move on to our cooking instructions. For steps that must follow an order, we use the OL tag, meaning ordered lists. We're going to add our instructions subheading. So let's use H2. Then let's add the text. So we are now going to use order list, and that is through OL tag. And inside our order list tag, we're going to add the lists of instructions in order. So you say mix flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Whisk milk, egg, and butter in another bowl. Combine wet and dry ingredients until smooth. Pour 1/4 cup of butter for each pancake onto a hot pan. Then cook, flip, and serve warm with syrup. Enjoy. Each step is numbered automatically by the browser, so the readers won't get lost. Let's see the preview. So you have it here, our instructions using unordered list. And you can see it numbered from 1 to 5. To make our page more educational, let's define a few cooking terms using definition list. So we are going to add another subheading using H2. Let's say cooking terms. Make it bigger. Then let's have our DL for the definition list tag. Inside our DL, we need to add the DT. DT means definition terms. Let's add whisk for our word, and then let's add as well the DD tag, which means definition description. So the description of whisk is to beat ingredients together quickly using a whisk. That's another definition term using DT. Let's have fold, and then definition description. Let's have to gently mix ingredients without breaking the texture. Let's save our file. Let's preview first. And there is your definition list. So let's save our file and then preview it in the browser. Nice! We've got our title, our image with our figure caption, our list of ingredients using unordered list, our instructions using ordered list, and our definition terms using DL tag. Oh, it's your turn to code. Create your own recipe page using this tag. H1 tag for your title, figure with an image and figure caption, UL for ingredients, OL tag for instructions, DL for at least 2 cooking terms. When you're done, comment below what dish you choose. I'd love to check it out. Great work for today. You just learned how to combine HTML lists and images to make your webpage more structured and visually appealing. These are the building blocks of every modern website, and you're mastering it step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT tutorials and coding lessons. Next, we'll organize data like a pro using HTML tables. So make sure you stay tuned. Until then, keep learning, keep coding, and see you in the next one. Bye!